Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope all are fine. My name is Taslim, a staff of Montessori Group of Schools, Telangana. I am going to teach you English. So, shall we start? So, this is our first lesson, all about Rani. This is our first lesson, all about Rani. Shall we start? Are you all ready? Okay, listen. All about Rani means we are going to know about Rani, about Rani's father, about Rani's mother, about Rani's family. You all are having families, no? Like us, Rani also having father, mother, grandmother, brother, sister. About Rani we are going to learn today. So listen. This is Rani. She lives in Mumbai. She is 5 years old. She is in class first. Have you got any idea? See, this is Rani. All of you open your textbook, page number 1. See, listen. This is Rani. She is Rani. Who is she? She is Rani. She lives in Mumbai. Where does she live? She lives in Mumbai. Where do you live? You live in Ellandu or some other places like Kottagudem, like Hyderabad, like Warangal. All are having your own native place. Likewise, this Rani also lives in Mumbai. Who is she? She is a girl or boy? Rani. Who is she? Rani means girl. She is a girl. She lives in Mumbai. Next, she is 5 years old. How old is she? She is 5 years old. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 years old. How old are you? 10 years? 20 years? No. Maybe 6, maybe 5, maybe 7. Likewise, she is 5 years old. She is in class first. Now, which class are you studying? You are studying in first class. Are you? Are you not studying in first class or LKG or UKG? You are studying in first standard. Now, we are learning first English. First lesson all about Rani. Yes or no? Yes. No? This is Rani. She lives in Mumbai. She is 5 years old. She is in class first. Now, about Rani, we have completed. Now, let's come to about her mother. This is Rani's mother. This is Rani's mother. Look here, all of you. I will show Rani's mother. See this picture. Who is she? She is Rani's mother. See, Rani is standing here along with her mother. Who is she? This is Rani's mother. You all love your mother, no? Yes, very good. You have to respect your mother. You have to listen to your mother. See, this is Rani's mother. She works in an office. She works in an office. She likes to sing. She likes to sing. So, what your mother will do? Your mother, some mothers are housewives, some mother works in office, some mothers are teachers, some mothers are doctor, etc. etc. Yes or no? Likewise, here Rani's mother works in an office. She works in an office. She likes to sing. What her mother likes to do? She likes to sing. Sing means singing songs. Singing songs. She likes to sing. So, this is Rani's mother. She works in an office. She likes to sing. So, once again, this is Rani. She lives in Mumbai. She is 5 years old. She is in class first. Okay? Now, this is Rani's mother. She works in an office. She likes to sing. Now, let's come to know about Rani's father. You all loves your father well, no? Yes or no? I likes my father very much. Why? Father will bring chocolates, biscuits, whatever you want, father will provide you, no? Yes or no? Yes. You have to obey your parents, you have to respect. Okay? Next. This is Rani's father. He is a doctor. He works in a hospital. So, listen here, I will show Rani's father. Who is he? He is Rani's father. All of you look here. This is Rani. This is Rani's mother. This is Rani's father. Who is he? He is a doctor. Who is he? He is a doctor. Where does he work? He works in a hospital. Have you gone to hospital? No. No. Once you go, you will get chocolates and biscuits. No? Yes or no? No. What you will go? What you will get if you go to hospital? You will be getting injections. No? You are very afraid to go to hospital. No? So, Rani's father is a doctor. He works in a hospital. Who is Rani's father? Rani's father is a doctor. He works in a hospital. Where does he work? He works in a hospital. Have you all got idea about Rani's father, Rani's mother? What your father is doing? Your father will be a teacher. Your father will be a doctor. Your father will be a policeman, etc., etc. Likewise, Rani's father is a doctor. He works in a hospital. Okay? Now, once again, read along with me. This is Rani. She lives in Mumbai. She is 5 years old. She is in class 1. Now, this is Rani's mother. He works in an office. She likes to sing. Now, this is Rani's father. He is a doctor. He works in a hospital. Now, shall I ask questions to you? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Who is Rani? Who is Rani? Listen here, all of you. Who is Rani? Rani is a girl. Rani is a girl. How old is Rani? How old is Rani? Rani is 5 years old. Rani is 5 years old. Now, which class is in Rani? Rani is in class 1. First part we have completed questions and answer. Yes or no? Yes or no? You have to listen what teacher is telling carefully. You will be it is very easy to understand. Who is Rani? Rani is a girl. How old is Rani? Rani is 5 years old. Which class is in Rani? Rani is in class 1. Now, second about Rani's mother. We have already learned about Rani's mother, no? Now, we will study about Rani's mother. Where does Rani's mother work? I have explained, no? She works in hospital. Rani's mother works in an office. Sorry. Rani's mother works in an office. Next, what does Rani's mother like to do? What does Rani's mother like to do? Rani's mother likes to sing. Rani's mother likes to sing. Next, about Rani's father. This is Rani's father. He is a doctor. He works in an hospital. Now, questioning and answering. See. Who is Rani's father? Who is Rani's father? Rani's father is a doctor. Rani's father is a doctor. Where does he work? Where does he work? He works in a hospital. He works in a hospital. Now, I will underline some words, hard words. Mumbai. What is that word? Mumbai. Next. Years. What is that word? Years. 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 Next. Mother. 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 Next. Works. 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 Office. 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 Next. Sing. 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 Next. Father. 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 Next. Doctor. Doctor. Next. Hospital. Hospital. Once again, all of you read with me. THIS, this. IS is. RAIN, Rani. Repeat once again. RAIN, Rani. Sorry. RANI, Rani. RANI, Rani. She. SHE, she. LIVES, leaves. In. MUMBAI, Mumbai. MUMBAI, Mumbai. SHE, she. IS is. FIVE, 5. YEARS, ears. YEARS, ears. OLD, old. SHE, she. IS is. In. CLASS, class. CLASS, class. Next. THIS, this. IS is. RANI apostrophe S, Ranis. MOTHE, mother. MOTHE, mother. SHE, she. WORKS, works. In. AN, and. OFFICE, office. OFFICE, office. SHE, she. LIKES, likes. TO2, SING, sing. Next. THIS, this. IS is. RANIS, Ranis. FATHE, father. Once again. FATHE, father. HE, he. IS is. A. DOCTOR, doctor. DOCTOR, doctor. HE, he. WORKS, works. In. A. HOSPITAL, hospital. HOSPITAL, hospital. Now, who is Rani? Rani is a girl. Who is Rani? Rani is a girl. All of you listen here carefully and read along with me. Again you have to answer the same worksheet whatever I am teaching now. Okay? If you listen these question answers, you will be able to answer the given worksheet. Who is Rani? Rani is a girl. How old is Rani? Rani is 5 years old. How old is Rani? Rani is 5 years old. Which class is in Rani? Rani is in class 1. Where does Rani's mother work? Rani's mother works in an office. Rani's mother works in an office. What does Rani's mother like to do? Rani's mother likes to sing. What does Rani's mother like to do? Rani's mother likes to sing. Who is Rani's father? Rani's father is a doctor. Who is Rani's father? Rani's father is a doctor. Next, where does he work? He works in a hospital. Where does he work? He works in a hospital. See, listen children. Practice these given hard works 5 times or 10 times because these hard works are repeated in the question answers. Understood all of you? See, this whatever these words are underlined, you take your textbook and underline the same words and practice because these hard words are repeated in question answers. It will be easy for you to answer the given questions. Understood all of you? Okay? Next. Once again, we will read these hard words. M-U-M-B-A-I, Mumbai. Y-E-A-R-S, ears. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. O-F-F-I-C-E, office. W-O-R-K-S, works. S-I-N-G, sing. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. Now once again, this is Rani. She lives in Mumbai. She is 5 years old. She is in class 1st. About whom we are learning? About Rani we are learning. Where does she live? She lives in Mumbai. She lives in Mumbai. In which class she is studying? She is studying in class 1. She is studying in class 1. Now, what about her mother? Where does Rani's mother work? She works in office. What does she likes to do? She likes to sing. Next, about father. Who is Rani's father? He is a policeman. He is a lawyer. Who is he? He is a doctor. Where does he work? He works in school. He works in police station. No. Where does he work? He works in hospital. He works in hospital. Next, we will meet in next class. So, read this, take this textbook page number 1 and read this lesson and practice hard words and answer to the given questions. Okay, understood all of you? Bye. We will meet in next class.